Hello everyone, my name is Aftab Mandal and in today's video I am going to talk about naming conventions in Java. From the beginning of our college days, we were always told from our teachers that to write neat code. But we used to think that it is just a meaningless and a waste of time to write each and every line of code in a proper way. We used to question our teachers that who's gonna see my code? Only the output matters, right? But think about the industrial level. Imagine if you are working in a company with your team and you are given a project and you are given a task that was and now you are writing your code in the same way as you were used to do in your college days. Now that code will be used by your colleagues. So here's the question: will they be able to read your code or understand that code? Obviously no, right? They will mock you for your writing skills. And will that make you a team player? Of course no. So this is what matters when it comes to coding skills and the writing skills from that. So there are certain rules in Java to write a clean code. They are termed as naming conventions in Java. The rule says that whenever we are trying to name class or interface or method, we should name it as if they are readable and it have a meaning, particular meaning. So let's say example, if we are storing a class name, it should be a noun and it should start with a uppercase. If there is method, then it should be a verb and it should be a lowercase. If we talk about interface, it should be an adjective with the first letter and uppercase. And same goes with package and the other things that they should be lowercase. But if we talk about the constant, each and letter should be a capital. But what about if there are multiple words in the same name? So Java uses camel casing for these type of cases. Camel casing says that if there are multiple words in a word, so the first letter of each word should be capital. And if they are already a lowercase, then our first letter of first word should be a lowercase, and first word of second word should be a uppercase. But what about constant words? They are already in uppercase and we should not lower them. So here we can use the underscore. Some people say it as snake casing, but that does not matter. You got the point, right? So what are the advantages of using these naming conventions? So the advantages are nothing but they will make your code readable and it will look more neat and it will look more clean code. It might make you a team player, who knows. So let's conclude this video here. This is Aftab Mandal signing off.